Hello everyone. In this video, I am explaining how to solve question third and fourth part of question 1 exercise 3.4 by elimination method. Now question number third, 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0, and the second equation is 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. Firstly, this equation reduces into standard form, that is, first variable of x 3x minus 5y equal to my constant term shift to right side, so change the sign, minus 4 become plus 4. This is our first equation. Now from the second equation, 9x plus 2y shift to left side, then change their sign, 2y equal to 7. Now this is taken as second equation. Now this question we have to solve with elimination method. In elimination method, we firstly make the coefficient of any variable equal. So I am taking variable x. So now coefficient of variable in first equation is x is 3. So it is multiplied by second equation, and coefficient of x in second equation is 9. So second 9 is multiplied by first equation. We have to always multiply with opposite coefficient. Now multiply equation 1 by 9 and equation 2 by 3 to make the equations numerically equal. Now multiply 9 by each term of this equation. Now multiply 9 by 3. 9 3s are 27x, 9 5s are 45y, 9 4s are 36. Similarly, multiply 3 by each term of equation second. 9 3s are 27x, 3 2s are 6y, 7 3s are 21. Now this is our step 1 by elimination method. In the step 2, we have to eliminate one variable which we make numerically equal. In this question, we make x variable numerically equal. So subtract these. Taking this is third equation, this is fourth equation. So subtract equations third and fourth. When we subtract equations, always change the sign of second equation which we are subtracting. Now 27x minus 45y equal to 36. This is our first equation. Second equation is 27x minus 6y equal to 21. So now change their sign. Don't forget to change their sign. Here this is considered as plus sign. So when we change their sign, it becomes minus. Similarly, minus, this is our plus sign. Now here is plus, so it consider it as minus. And forget all these old signs. Now consider these new signs. Plus 27x minus 27x cancelled. Now these signs we have to forget. Now deal with only plus 6. Minus 45 plus 6. Only coefficient are subtracted. 45 minus 6, our answer is 39 minus 39y equal to 36 minus 21, 15. Now y is equal to 15 upon minus 39. Simplify this in simplest form. Both numbers comes in the table of 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. So our answer is y is equal to minus 5y 13. Now substitute value of y in equation 1. You can substitute any equation, either first, second. So I am substituting value y in first equation, that is 3x minus 5y equal to 4. Now y is minus 5 by 3 minus 5 by 13 equal to 4. Now solve it. 3x 5 5 is 25 plus 25 by 13 equal to 4. Now constant terms all shifted to right side. 25 by 13 becomes minus 25 by 13. So taking the LCM, 13 as LCM, 1 divided by 13, our answer is 13. 13 multiplied by 4, 52. Similarly 13 divides 13, 1 multiplied by 25, 25. So 3x is equal to 12 minus 5, 7, 27 by 13. Now x is equal to 27 by 13, 3 by 1 here. So reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. So x is 9 by 13. Value of x is 9 upon 13 and y is minus 5 by 13. Now question 4. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. This is our first equation. Second is x minus y upon 3 is 3. Now firstly solve this equation. 3 or 2, LCM of 3 or 2 is 6. So taking LCM is 6. 2 divides 6, our answer is 3. 3 multiplied by x, 3x plus similarly 2 2s are 4y equal to minus 1. Cross multiplication. So 3x plus 4y, 6 1s are 6, minus 6. This is our first equation. Consider this is first equation. Now second is x minus y upon 3 equal to 3. Solve this equation also. Write down here 1. Now taking LCM, 3. Similarly 1 divides 3. Our answer is 3. 3 multiplied by x, 3x. 3 divides 3. Our answer is 1. Multiply by numerator, that is y, equal to 3. Now cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means 3x minus y multiplied by 1. Our answer is this. And 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. This is second equation. Now we reduce this into equations. First is 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. Second is 3x minus y equal to 9. Now solve these equations with the help by elimination method. This is first equation. This is second equation. Now firstly, always we have to make the one variable, coefficient of one variable, numerically equal. Look at this question. Here is 3x. Here is also 3x. Already numerical values of variable x are equal. So there is no need to multiply any with any number. Now subtract 1 and 2 equations. 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. 3x minus y equal to 9. When we are subtracting equations, always change the sign of second equation. Here is 3x, so changes sign, minus. Here is minus, so plus, consider plus sign. Here is plus, consider minus sign. And forget all ones. These are. which are where I am circle it. Now cancelled. 4y plus y, that is 5y, equal to minus 6 minus 9. Our answer is 15. Now value of y is minus 15 upon 5. 5 3s are 15. So value of y is minus 3. Now this is our step second. First, in the first step, we always make the one variable numerically equal. Now, and in the second step, we subtract, either add the equations. In the third step, we substitute the value of y, either x, in any equation, given equations. Now given equations are these. So I am substituting the value of y in first equation, this 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. Substitute y in equation first. Here equation first is 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. 3x plus 4. Substitute the value of y is minus 3 equal to minus 6. Now 3x plus minus 12 minus 6. 3x equal to minus 6. Minus 12 become plus. So 3x equal to 6. 12 plus 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. So x is 6 by 3. 3 to the 6. So x is 2. Y is minus 3. We solve these equations by elimination method. Thank you.